In this video, I'm going to show you how to accommodate a student who needs extra time or extra attempts on a quiz or a test in Canvas. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up the quiz that I want for my class. So I am on the quiz details screen. So I've already put in the name of the quiz is quiz 5. Here is where I would put my instructions. I'm going to leave the quiz type and assignment group at their default settings. And then I want to give a time limit on this particular quiz of 30 minutes. I am not allowing multiple attempts. I'm only going to allow one attempt for the class. And then I'm going to scroll down here to where I give enter my due date. So assign to, right now it's set at everyone. I'm going to put my due date at the 20th at 11:59. And then I want to give a different due date for one of my students. So in order to do that, I'm going to click here where it says add, and then you'll see that I have another assign to field, and then it gives me this drop down information of all of the students. Now this for me is a mock course, so I don't have real students in here. So I am going to choose my student 1. You would have all of your student names would be listed here under student. So I'm going to click student 1, and then I can give a different due date to this particular student. So instead of the 20th, I'm going to give an extra few days for that due date. And then you'll see here that up on the original where it said everyone, now it says everyone else. And then student 1 has the 23rd as the date. Okay, so now I'm going to save and publish. And then here's my summary screen after I've finished that. So it has all of the information that I entered here with the time limit. It also has the due date of the 20th for everyone else and the 23rd for this one student. Okay, so now what I want to show you is how to give extra time. So remember I set that time limit of 30 minutes for this quiz. I want to give an extra 15 minutes to this one particular student. Okay, so what I want to do is click over here where it says moderate this quiz. And then all of my students in this course are going to be listed. Again, you would have multiple students here, whereas I just have my my fake students. So student 1 is who I want to give some extra time to, or and give some extensions to. So I click the checkbox beside the name, and then I get this option that pops up here that says change extensions for one selected student. So I'm going to click here, and then I'll get this box. Now it gives me extra attempts and then extra time on every attempt. So the first one for extra attempts, it shows me that everyone already gets 1 attempt. So what I'm going to enter here is how many more above 1 this student is going to get. So I want to give them 1 extra attempt. So that's what I'm going to put here, and then it gives a total of 2 attempts to the student. Same thing for the extra time. So here it says everyone gets 30 minutes. So if I want to instead give the student 45 minutes, I'm going to add 15 here. So that gives them the 30 minutes that they already get and an extra 15 to make 45. And then I'm going to click save. And then you'll see here under the student name is that they get 15 extra minutes on each attempt, and that they get 2 attempts where the other students get 1.